Who's responsible for improving your company culture? Is it HR, the C-suite? If you want your initiatives to succeed, you'll need some help from across the organization. And that means you'll need to empower your managers to take effective action. Let's see how Culture Amp helps you do exactly that. The dashboard shows managers what's going well and their top opportunities for improvement. Let's see how we can improve on innovation. With a single click, managers get a list of inspirations. These are actions that have been successfully tried and tested by over 2,000 culture-first companies, thought leaders, and experts. Inspirations are curated by the organizational psychologists on our people science team. You have full control over your company's inspirations. This means you can always add or change them to ensure they align with the way your company works. When managers complete an action, employees can rate how things went. This feedback helps the platform learn which actions are most effective, so it can improve and keep recommending the best, most relevant inspirations. Plus, our people science team is always adding new inspirations for your managers to try. Visit the link in the description to watch the demo video and see how Culture Amp will help you empower your managers to succeed.